Okay, next I'm going to show you how to go to payments. One thing you have to do with Picsello is you can accept credit cards, offline payments, all of these online, the buy now, buy later types. So the thing that you do need to do is have a Stripe account. If you have an existing Stripe account, it's pretty simple, but what I'll do is I'll go through how to set up a Stripe account or link one of yours. So I'm going to go in and set up Stripe. Once you follow this, I like to keep the same email address as before. Actually, here's the thing. If for time's sake, I'm just going to log into my existing Stripe account. If you have already used a different platform that uses Stripe, use that same email. It gets you approved quicker. Please note that Stripe does have separate accounts for each vendor, they call us, or, partner. So your old Stripe account basically Picsello will have a new Stripe account, but at the top left of Stripe, you'll see different accounts. It's all in there. So I'm going to pass through this. Let's see if I can remember. Probably not that. I will be very shocked. Oh, I've got to verify my login. I will be right back. So I'm verifying my login, and here we go. This is me. So while it's loading, pause. It comes up. So it came up, review, finish up, review your information if you already have one, and then agree and submit. Okay, so now we're back at Picsello after setting up. Pretty simple, easy to do. If you have questions, our team are there to help you, but it's really quick. So now I can accept payment. I'm going to just go back into my account and go back to payments and go to my Stripe. So right now I have that already set up, and I can come in here and I can also accept payment types if I want to have my clients to accept afterpay, Affirm, all of those really help your clients as well as you, because it provides them with a payment plan, but also you with the full amount similar to a credit card really. But they're just sort of a fancy way of saying it for them. And then if you wanted to come in, offer, your clients, hey, my clients pay me via Venmo or check, come in here and enable the offline payment. So we have come in and set up payment.